DOPAG offers special dispensing stations for the manual application of lubricants. With the system, oil can be applied quickly and efficiently to O-rings or other seals. This is necessary so that they can permanently fulfill their sealing function in later use. The dosing process is triggered by the downward pressure of the component on the adapter. The oil is metered and applied to the component. The adapter and the entire system can be individually configured. Integrated volumetric metering valves ensure a high repeatability. The material supply is flexible and depends on the material viscosity. Typically, pressure vessels or pumps are used. The dispensing station is suitable for semi-automated assembly stations or fully automated assembly cells, for example, in the automotive industry. The operation is simple and offers many advantages. In addition, the user has no contact with the material. The oil is precisely applied. The components can be further processed directly. The lubricated O-rings are used, for example, as a seal in a groove and ensure that the elements are permanently sealed. This could be in the automotive industry in the production of engines or in the production of fittings and valves for the household.